Hi, welcome. This video explains how you can write your IELTS task 2 essay. The second task of the IELTS writing module is to write an essay of at least 250 words. You get 40 minutes. IELTS essay topics differ in many aspects. Sometimes you are asked to discuss the two sides of a given proposition. Sometimes you have to say whether you agree or disagree with the given argument. And sometimes you may be asked whether a particular situation or development is good or bad. This video explains how you can write a positive or negative development essay. This is the topic we are going to discuss today. You should spend about 40 minutes on this task. In recent years, many local shops have closed because customers prefer online shopping to meet their shopping needs. Is this a positive or negative development? So that is our question. Before you start writing, read the question carefully. I cannot stress this enough. You should know exactly what you are supposed to write. Here the question asks whether the closure of local stores due to the popularity of online shopping is a positive or negative development. You can take any stand, it doesn't matter. Just make sure that your body paragraphs support the opinion you expressed in the introduction. So for example, if you claim that it's a positive development, you should explain why it is a positive development. In this case, you shouldn't mention any reasons that prove that it's a negative development. Let us see how we can write an introduction for this topic. In the introduction, just rewrite the given question in your own words and then express your opinion. 2 or 3 sentences are enough. Here you can write something like this. Of late, small stores in the neighborhood are shutting down because of the growing popularity of online shopping. In my opinion, there are both positive and negative aspects to this development. Read the introduction again. We replace the phrase in recent years with of late. Instead of repeating the noun phrase local shops, we wrote small stores in the neighborhood. As far as possible, try not to repeat words or phrases from the given question. Of course, this is not always possible, and if you cannot immediately come up with a synonym for words in the task rubric, feel free to repeat the same word. You cannot afford to spend a lot of time looking for synonyms. Once you have written the introduction, you can start with the body paragraphs. The points that you need to discuss in the body paragraphs depend upon the opinion expressed in the introduction. So for example, if you believe that it's a positive development, if that is what the opinion you expressed in the introduction, your body paragraph should explain why it is a positive development. In my opinion, this development has both positive and negative aspects to it. In the first body paragraph, I will discuss how this development hurts local storekeepers. Here are some points I will discuss in the first body paragraph. Local store owners lose their livelihood due to this development. They cannot compete with large online stores. They cannot offer the discounted prices offered by online stores. Nor do they have the means to launch their own online stores. Consequently, they are shutting down and hence they have to look for other sources of income. Here is yet another point you can discuss in the first body paragraph. When local businessmen go out of business, it hurts the local economy. In the second body paragraph, I would argue that this is largely a positive development for consumers. Online shopping is more convenient for them. Online stores also offer the best prices. Also, as long as customers can get what they want, it doesn't really matter for them whether local stores exist or not. I will elaborate on these points in the second body paragraph. In the concluding paragraph, I will restate my main points. The conclusion will be something like this. To conclude, I believe that when local shops are forced to shut down due to the growing popularity of online shopping, it is a bad development for local shopkeepers and local economy. At the same time, it is beneficial for consumers as online shopping is more convenient and less expensive for them. Do not introduce any new ideas in the conclusion. You should only restate the main points expressed in the body paragraphs. Also, the opinion expressed in the conclusion should be exactly the same as the opinion expressed in the introduction. So that is all for today. I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.